If your smart TV is stuck on the logo screen, do not unplug randomly, and do not rush to change the main board. In the next few minutes, I will show you proven fixes that technicians actually use in real repair work. Welcome to Tech Vibes. I am speaking as a technician, not guessing, not theory, only verified solutions. First, power reset is mandatory. Turn the TV off using the remote. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Now press and hold the TV power button, not the remote button, for 30 seconds. This discharges residual electricity from the main board and memory chip. Wait for 2 full minutes. Reconnect the power cable and turn the TV on. In many cases, the logo freeze clears at this stage. Second, remove all external devices. Unplug HDMI cable, USB drive, soundbar, set-top box, and LAN cable. A corrupted USB drive or faulty HDMI handshake can stop the boot process at logo. After removing everything, power on the TV and check. Third, internet-related boot loop fix. Some smart TVs freeze on logo due to corrupted online update handshake. If your TV connects to Wi-Fi automatically, this step is critical. Turn off your router. Especially dual-band routers running 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz together. Power on the TV without internet connection. If the TV boots normally, later connect to Wi-Fi again and disable auto update. Fourth, forced factory reset using hardware keys. This works when screen shows logo but remote does not respond. Unplug the TV. Press and hold volume down and power button together on the TV panel. While holding, plug the power cable back. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds until recovery or reset screen appears. Select factory reset and confirm. This clears corrupted system cache and app data. Fifth, firmware corruption solution. If logo freeze started after a software update, firmware reinstallation is required. Download the exact firmware for your TV model from the official brand website. Copy it to a blank USB drive, formatted in FAT32. Insert USB into the TV and power on. Most TVs auto-detect firmware and start update. Do not interrupt power during this process. Final technician advice. If none of these steps work, the issue is likely NAND flash memory or main board voltage instability. Software fixes will not help in that case. Board-level diagnosis is required. If this guide helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. I will see you in the next real repair guide.